This tutorial will be showing you how to export or exporting transparent video for YouTube online social media platform completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step for exporting a transparent video for YouTube online social media platform, I'm going to show you in Adobe After Effects and then in Adobe Premiere Pro. Drag the video right here that you want to export as a transparent video for YouTube in Adobe After Effects, and then drag it down below like you see. You want to click Effects and Presets. If you don't have this, you can click under Window, scroll down until you see Effects and Presets, and make sure this is checked. And then under here, you want to type in color space key and then click color key, which is below obsolete, and you want to drag this onto your video right here. And now, as we can see, effects control should be popped up. Under color key to the right, click this eyedropper icon or tool, and then click on the screen for the color that you would like to remove. And then basically, to export this as a transparent video for YouTube, you want to go under to render queue. And if you don't have anything, then you basically want to add your video to the render queue. So click your video clip and drag it down below. And then under render settings, click to the right, best options, best settings, and make sure that the quality is set to best, the resolution is set to full, and then click OK. And then underneath output module, click lossless. And make sure that the format is set according to what you'd like. I like preset, I like QuickTime, and then video output, channels, RGB, plus alpha, so that this will export as a transparent video for YouTube, and then click render. Now in Adobe Premiere Pro, it's the same thing. If you want to basically remove the color and export this as a transparent video, we typed in color key, and then we dragged it onto our video clip. We went to effects control, and if you don't have this, click window, and then click effects control and effects. And again, we click the eyedropper tool, clicked on the screen where we want to remove the color. And now I'm going to add an in point, and then I'm going to add an out point to the video, and then we'll click Ctrl+M on our keyboard. This will bring up the export settings. Under format, click the drop down arrow and scroll down until you see QuickTime. And then under preset, also click the drop down arrow and click Go Pro Signform RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth. And then again, change the output name and then click export. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.